Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So yesterday when we were about to go out, and then my wife forgot her tire monitor system, give her like a low pressure on the tire. And so yesterday I found there's a nail about this size. It punctured on the sidewall right there. It was all the way in there. So the tire pressure was like 28 psi. So anyway, today I'm gonna show you guys on how to use a jack on your Honda Pilots. So let's go ahead and do this. So this is the rear trunk of the Honda Pilot. You want to lift up this panel right here. Just lift it up. Since I did mine already, I'm just going to give you guys tips real quick. So on the left hand side, you see a storage compartment right here for your jack. So you need to open this up. And then normally this jack is inside there. It will have this Velcro. That is loop around with that buckle right here. Okay, you need to detach it and then take this out and remove this tools. And in case you need to use your spare tire, which I did, so you need to pop up this spare tire cover right here. And unfortunately, I didn't have my flathead screwdriver with me, so I have to ask my wife to bring the house key and then pop up this cover right there. And under this cover, you need reveal this rubber grommet. You need to remove. You can simply remove with your finger. Okay, and you're gonna pry this out. And you will need to use this tool, which is this end right here. Insert that in there. Make sure it's set in there properly. And to loosen up, you just do it counterclockwise. That is to lower your spare tire. And to bring it up, you just do clockwise. Okay? So I'm going to show you the hook or the cable that's under the tire. So that'll be that one over there. Yeah. Alright, so that would be a nice tip for you guys. And now we're going to use this jack. I'm going to teach you guys on where to put it properly. And if you bring your car or jack up your car, you want to make sure you put on the emergency brake. So I'm going to park on the flat surface. And then let's do it. Alright, so I park on the flat surface now. I'm gonna go ahead and then hit the emergency brake, the e-brake. That's very important. You don't want the car move while you try to jack up the car, so it's very dangerous. So right here is the rear tire, and you want to go to your underbody of your car. And make sure you put on this gap right here. Right here. Alright, and make sure your jack, it is perpendicular with your car. You don't want to do it like slanted. And if you want to jack out the front, you just move to the front, and you should see another one right here in the front, right there, right here. So yeah, at the beginning it's kind of hard to get out the nut, so I had to use my full body instead of using my arm. So I use my whole weight and then stand on the next to the car and then use my foot to step down on it.
Actually, I was trying to keep up with you. You're good.
By the way, you want to check your spare tire pressure, because when I first mounted this one, it was only like 22 psi, which is pretty low. So when I was driving, it's kind of wiggling and made the car shake or wobbling. So make sure you pump your tire and monitor every 3 months or something. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and then tie the nuts crisp pattern like a star, okay? You don't want to do it on one side, and it's gonna be not good. Be this. By the way, make sure you do the hand tie right now only, because you're gonna tie it later on when the car is down. Okay, so you can use your whole body to make it super tight. Now we're gonna lower the car just enough to touch the floor, or maybe add some more weight to it, not all the way down. And then counterclockwise. As you can see, I had to use my whole body to make the nut super tight. So now I'm going to lower all the way now. Now I'm going to load the cable for the spare tire. So the outside of the rim has to be on top, okay? Make sure you sit in. In case you guys don't have enough leverage or strength, you could insert this in here like this, and then turn it so you get more leverage. Okay. And just make sure the tire doesn't get caught, because it was sitting like this. I thought it was it got caught, so I had to move around. So I see it's still loose right now. Make sure you move around first. And then I think that's pretty tight enough now. Now I'm gonna pop this back on, and then put this cover back. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.